In front of me, I have 10 fragrances, all inspired by the same $350 OG, which is kind of crazy, but it is hype worthy. So reasonably, you guys have been requesting a ranking for these fragrances. Analyzing your comments, I've actually decided to do 2 rankings. This ranking will be concerning the scent profile similarity to the original. And in order to know how I'm doing this, you need to know that I'm breaking the initial scent profile into 3 levels. Basically, the first level is a black tea with an accompanying ginger. Not an equaling ginger, not a dwarfing ginger, just a ginger that's in the background helping to deliver the black tea. Secondly is a layer of general citrus that comes up sometimes to show itself, but then goes back to let the black tea do its thing. Finally is a soapiness and a freshness that is the backbone of the entire fragrance. It's there the whole time, but it's never taking precedence over the black tea or the citrus. Now, starting with number 10, we have Nordstag's Expressions Trois. Now, I want you to hear me clearly when I say this. I like the scent delivery on Nordstag's Expressions Trois a lot. It is just not the most similar to the OG for a number of reasons. Number 1, there's no soapiness in this fragrance whatsoever. It takes a ding for that. Number 2, it is very citrus black tea heavy, but it does it incredibly different. The black tea in the OG is accompanied by a ginger that gives it an almost bitter yet mature delivery. And in turn, this is much sweeter, younger. It's almost like a kid brother to the original and doesn't really deliver on the same thing. So it's very appealing, but I would not put it in the same scent profile as the original. Number 2, we have Al-Armin Amber Oud Aqua Dubai. Aqua Dubai is one of my favorite scents in this list, but if we're speaking realistically, this fragrance does not hit on anything except the soapiness. Some of you say that you get citrus out of this fragrance. I really don't personally. It's more like a Dove soap. And if we're talking about the OG, I don't get Dove soap at all. The soapiness is supposed to be a characteristic of the background, not the foreground. So for that reason, this also falls really low, even though I think it does one of the elements exceptionally well. Number 8 is Kadlaj Kadus Blue Spice. A lot of you guys are not going to like that I said that, but to be honest, to my nose, this is missing on a key characteristic of the original. It does have some of the soapiness in the background. The citrus is very, very, very light, but this is the issue. In the opening, the ginger is dominant, and that's specifically what OG is not. OG is a black tea heavy fragrance to me, and this in turn is ginger heavy. So it kind of does an inversion. You can look at this as a little bit more of an inspired thing where if you really like ginger, that could come out, but this ginger delivers terribly on my skin. It smells like a grandpa's sweater, and I generally can't see myself wearing it, which is unfortunate, but that is